the video keeps ending. Okay, guys, so I'm making some macaroni. I took off everything, so it's gonna be extra cheesy. Cause like two sauces. Is this some salt? Is this some salt? No, you played it all. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. How many minutes I gotta put it on, Zaraya? 4. And why? Cause that's 1 minute to put it on. Told y'all she be acting like a little dick. Why would you say that? You said that. No, I'm not talking about that, but we're not gonna say it. Okay? This is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna make the fall. That's what it looks like. So it got a little line. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what the water is. Stop that. We're using some hot water. Right, look. Hot water. Ow! Oh, I gotta lay the pause. And don't do it again. Maria. Hello, lay down like a Maria. What? Trying to make my macaroni. Bows, and I can't see it. Okay. Pop the heat it up. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom, zoomy, zoom, zoomy, zoom. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom. Why was my pantry open? Zoomy, oh my gosh. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom. Zoomy, zoomy, zoom, zoomy, zoom, zoomy, zoom. Okay, while we do that, I'm going to climb letters. Zaraya. So I'm going to be climbing this tall letter. Zaraya's going to be climbing that small letter. Hers is a 3-step. Mine is a 7-step. Move it. Mine is a 3-step. Oh, you want to switch places? I'm going to be doing her letter. She's going to be doing my letter, the 7 one. So you can do 3. Do 3. This is the 8th one, because if you count that last one, it's going to be 8. It's 7. I know, but if you count the last one, it's going to be 8. Mm-hmm. Like, if you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done with mine, y'all. Mine's ooh, my phone almost fell. So she's right there. You want the 3rd one? I'm about to go with the 3rd one. I'm scared. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking right now. Good job. Hey, look, I can touch that. Touch it. I can't reach it. Because I'm not going with nothing. Oh my God, I left the water on it. Not a water. Now, y'all, if y'all ever bored, y'all got some spinning wheels here. Just do this. Let me show y'all. Yeah, do this. First, get a spinning chair. Move. Let's get a spinning chair. And if they have corners like these, like that, and like that, like this, and like that, you're going to take your leg and put it right there. Sit down. So it should be like this. And then on your second leg, do this. Take your leg, put it on the open part. Okay, and guys, you won't get hurt, but it should be like this. Yes. Legs on both sides. And you're going to have to get down in the middle for this stuff, and then you're going to lay down, which ends up looking like this. Now, if you have a short hair and your legs, or if you're tall and your legs are tall like mine, you just go like this. You take your legs, stuck, and go like this. Move. Take your hands and go like this with your legs and go. And sometimes you can even spin around with people on your back, because it's like on your back is going to be like a small pouch. I'm not trying to show my butt, so I'm not even going to do that. It's going to be a small pouch on the back, like a little bit of space, and then if you have a little cousin or something that's small and that can fit in it, like you can put them on in it. Yeah. And that's what you can do if you're bored. Hold on, let me go check on the macaroni. No, I'm not. It's been a minute. Our living room is a complete mess. This is our living room. And our living room. Cleaning it up. That's where y'all. That's why Zari don't ever be coming down here. So that's all the toys that we played with, because we were like going like diving, scuba diving and stuff. Oh, Zaraya gave her doll a bag. Yeah, her baby loved all about.
It's not baby alive.
You growl at me again, and I will slap your whiskers, bro. Hey. Let me see something. Dang, the stove in the way. But no, it's not in the video. I don't know why I hit them piece out. Nope. Time to call my genius sister in here. Zoraya! Zoraya! Is they done?
Mm-hmm.
No, come look.
Is it done?
Give me yourself. Okay. Taste it.
Taste it, see if it's
No, because it's small. So is it done?
No. I mean, yes, it's small when it's done. Yeah, it's done when it's small.
What the heck? Okay, what? Okay, well.
What the heck? What?
It's done when it's small.
Oh, so you want me?
I will kick your eyelashes off.
No, you won't.
Say less.
Chill. Ow.
Keep playing with me. Shut up. All this trash. Move over there. Okay, guys, stop the satisfying part that y'all would like to say. Okay, so the first pack is this one. So I know you're not over the mumbling. How do I open it? This part will be blocked for, this part will not be shown for various reasons. One is I don't want to get banned. Two, I already got banned from TikTok, so.
She got banned from live.
Shut up! I didn't get banned for life. I got banned for, I didn't get banned for my mom banned me from TikTok because I was showing that, and that's why I'm not showing that for this one. And that worked. Oh my god. It's open right here. Maybe that's true. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna zoom in. Because I think this is going to be satisfying. So I'm just zoom in. Okay. I hope the video don't end because sometimes when I move the camera around, the video ends. Get a good glimpse. Why is it coming? I forgot to pour out the water! Oh my gosh. I can't believe that.
No.
Chef, I not kick you. We're going to retry that. Okay, guys, I'll open it from a different side. So basically, it's open right here and it's open right here. But we're going to try that. My guys, zoom in a little too far in. Now, let's see if this will work again. Second attempt. Can I see it? Okay. It's coming out from both sides. She over there doing some real like story time thing. She is over there putting her toy because she be like doing that Roblox story things and stuff. Some of my sister got her own channel. Have y'all seen Zoraya Tucker? How to spell Zoraya? Z-A-R-A-Y-E-A. How to spell Tucker? T-U-K-E-R. Yeah. That's her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is Zoraya Tucker. Z-A-R-A-Y-E-A. Space T-U-K-E-R. Tucker. Time to make snow.
Mariah gave me that time.
Why would Mariah think your last name is Tucker? No, her last name is Tate.
No, because Mariah's last name is Tucker.
So why would she think your last name was Tucker? I don't care. I don't know.
I don't care. No, because actually I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh shoot. Because y'all can't be seeing me do that. We successfully made it open a lot wider and bigger. Can y'all see it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bruh, I'm over here clowning around.
Watch the back of your neck.
She over there roasting her own baby doll. Why do I keep dropping it in the freaking... Shut up, for I slap you. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Now, guys, it's going to be... I bet it's going to be actually because I put the text. That's what it looks like. Second part. Do y'all want to hear that? No, why would it sound like that? So, guys, the reason why I had 2 packs was because my first video I made me making these. My sister ended up ending the video on accident that she claims. When I was already making, I started to threw it away, and that leaded me to 2 packs of cheese. She apparently said the small one is done, so it better taste done. Or her face gonna be done looking like concrete. I'm doing a lot of wrist work into this, so it better taste good. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do some fancy junk with it. Hold on, let me taste it real quick. I'm not gonna do it on camera because I know y'all probably gonna think it's nasty. So you gonna come up here and fuck? Okay, it's not cheese at all. It's just good with extra cheese. Okay. And now that I think about it, it's actually warm. So all that time we wasted putting work into it. Now, guys, since this was the plate I was making for the last macaroni, but since that happened, I just threw it away. I want y'all to see this part. I'm gonna try to do it in a sensor. I just sounded like a horse. Be honest, right? Did I still sound good? I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. And I'm gonna try to do what the Mexican people be doing, like this. Don't put that. Give me this. Purpose of 6. Yeah. Okay, after enough tapping and flapping, let's see how this turns out. I hope the video doesn't end. I'm not even gonna set it down. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, we're working with this. That looks like some cavities. Oh, macaroni still stayed in there. Okay, but I'm gonna try to make it a little round somewhere. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let me try to get the rest. I'm gonna try to scoop the rest. Don't mind the fork, guys. Just don't. Get that extra cheese in there. done. So yeah, this junk looks small. For real. Really, really small. Okay. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna be posting tomorrow too.
Oh my God.
See you guys later. Mosquitoes are dead in the winters already. They only come in the summertime.
They did?
Yes, they under the ground. They're basically like fossils.
Wait, so how did they come back in the summer? When I met you in the summer.
They come from under the ground.
What y'all in here doing?
But that's about Baba.
Who on the fucking stove?
Nobody. I was using it.
Why is this I on? Really? I smell that shit in the fucking room.
Yeah, my mom sounds
Get this
stupid.
shit off the fucking floor.
Told y'all my was gonna smash. Hey guys. My parents sound strict, but they're not. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.